At ang tatay ko decided to migrate. But I am mixed. Ang nanay ko taga roon. Kami nang namamatay dito on both sides. And if I remember right, yung Cotabato, there is always a time to talk about war and talk about peace. Ask for about 20,000 more soldiers. Alam ninyo, pumasok ako sa gobyerno midstream. Ibig sabihin, tapos na makausap. Ito naman. When you are in a strange place, you would always want to, you know. Tatay ko decided to migrate. But I am mixed. There, ever ready to guard the